Welcome back. I have more to share with you about leaves. Abby's here alongside of me doing some other work. And she'll maybe pop in when we're doing some of these experiments or talking about them. She helped me get them set up and now we're ready to talk about them. And so the first one I want to talk about is that leaves take in carbon dioxide. I told you before that leaves breathe, plants breathe just like we do, and instead of breathing in oxygen like humans and animals do, they breathe in carbon dioxide. And when we looked at the food factor of the leaf, we saw that CO2 coming in from the top and coming in and being mixed up to make food. And so when we talk about how plants breathe, it's really interesting because we can see the parts of the plant using just some super easy technology. I'm also going to put some pictures in this and in your assignment so you can see them. So something that's really cool, how we think, how does the CO2, how does the carbon dioxide get into the leaf? Here I have a little piece. I picked it off of one of our plants. This is a Swedish ivy, and I just picked off one of the leaves to show you. And so this is the top of the leaf, and then this is the bottom. Sorry, I have a piece of dirt got in my eye when I moved the plant. Okay, I'm not crying because I'm sad. I'm crying because I'm so happy. So the back side of the leaf is this side, and we can't quite see it with our eyes, although almost. If you were seeing this in person, I don't think it's going to focus in on that. Anyway, you can't quite see it through the camera, but you can almost see it in person. I bought this cheapy little microscope at Walmart. It was $5, and it attaches to my cell phone. You just pinch this up and you tuck your phone in there and you take a picture. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to show you the pictures that I take. What I've learned is it doesn't work on my backwards facing camera. It only works on my frontwards, and I think it's just probably a setting issue that I haven't figured out. But when I place it on there, you can see that the camera right inside there where the light is shining, that's what's being magnified. Okay, so I'm going to take some pictures of this, the bottom of the leaf. See, Abby? Ooh, isn't that cool? And I know you guys are like, well, that's super exciting, Miss Chris. We're just watching you take pictures, but it is exciting. Okay, now I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to show you the pictures in real, like for real, but this is what I was able to take a picture of the bottom side of the leaf. And see all of those little red dots? They're kind of like, they look like they might be little shadows. Those little red spots are the mouths of the plant. See, so here you can see there was a vein that went through it, and you can see the little red dots all around it. I'll put the pictures on there so you can see. It is so cool. So on the bottom side of these leaves, there are the little mouths of they're little holes, but they look like little mouths on the leaves, and those are called stomata. Now, stoma comes to us from the Greek stoma, which means mouth, and that's why I kept saying they're the mouth. And they're on the underside of every leaf. They're harder to see on some leaves, but on this leaf, we can see them pretty good. The stomatas are either open or closed. I'll show a picture of that too. They're either open or closed depending on how thirsty the leaf is. If they're closed, then they're trying to keep the water in, and when the leaves are full of water, they open, and then they take air in. So if they're closed, they're full, and if they're open, they are letting air in, they're breathing in. And I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you some pictures of that. This lesson, or this video, is called The Function of the Leaf. Leaves take in carbon dioxide. The leaves are breathing in carbon dioxide. I have more functions of the leaf to share with you and a couple other demonstrations, and I'll show those to you in the next video. Thank you.